Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Ben from Elite Welding Academy, and I'm here at the Cincinnati campus. We have a tip of the day for you guys. We're going to show you how to set up your argon. Come on me. A lot of people think that, when you turn on a regulator and you're setting your argon, you want to turn that sucker up as high as you can get it. That's not necessarily the case. So what I have here, I have a TIG rig. I'm going to go ahead and open up the gas flow so we can actually get a good reading on our regulator. Right now, we see it's about 50 CFMs. It's a little too high for indoor welding with no wind. So we're going to turn this down. I like to run in between 20 and 30 CFMs if I'm inside with no wind. And what that will do is create a nice blanket of argon on whatever you're welding. If you have the pressure up too high, you can actually create turbulence on the surface of the material you're welding on, which could actually cause oxygen to mix in with your gas and cause porosity in your weld. So if you're TIG welding, you got gas, and you know the regulator's working, but you're still getting porosity, you probably have this guy set way too high. One last thing I want to add to this tip: if you're out in the field welding and it is a windy day, definitely advise turning that up. But it might be a situation where you want to put up some wind guards because wind and TIG welding don't mix. Have a good day, guys. Catch you later.